Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Windows 11 theme is not syncing on your Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select accounts. On right side you just need to select Windows backup. Click on it. And now you just need to expand this remember my preferences, and assuming you are using a Microsoft based account, this option would not be grayed out guys. If you are using a local account, I mean, what are you even going to be syncing anyway between devices? So in that case again you would likely have to already been using a Microsoft account, and you can just toggle this. Remember my preferences to be the on position. If you still having a problem, maybe you do want to try toggle this off and then on again. If some reason it already on and then just turn off again, just do like a full cycle of it. If you want to call it that, so turn it off and turn it on again, and hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.